Hello and welcome to this detailed presentation on CNN-based image denoising using autoencoders. In this project, we explore how deep learning can clean noisy images and restore their quality. Let's begin. Problem statement. In many real-world situations, images are affected by noise during capture or transmission. This noise can reduce clarity and hide important details. Our goal is to understand how a convolutional autoencoder can remove this noise and recover clean, high-quality images. We start by artificially adding Gaussian noise to clean images. We then train a neural network to remove this noise and compare the results. What is Gaussian noise? Gaussian noise is a type of statistical noise that appears as tiny random dots scattered across an image. It follows a normal distribution, meaning most noise is small, but some pixels can be significantly brighter or darker. This type of noise is widely used in research because it realistically simulates poor lighting, sensor errors, and compression artifacts. Why use a CNN autoencoder? Autoencoders are powerful neural networks designed for unsupervised learning. The encoder compresses the image into a smaller, meaningful representation. The decoder reconstructs the image back from this compressed space. In the process, the model learns to ignore unnecessary patterns like noise and retain only the important structure of the image. CNN layers make this even more effective, as they are excellent at capturing spatial features such as edges, colors, and textures. How the autoencoder works. When a noisy image enters the autoencoder, the encoder removes unwanted disturbances by focusing on meaningful features. The noisy patterns do not repeat across images, so the network gradually learns to disregard them. The decoder then rebuilds the image using only the clean features. During training, the model compares its output with the clean image and adjusts itself to reduce the error. With enough iterations, the model becomes highly effective at denoising. Dataset, CIFAR-10. The model is trained using the CIFAR-10 dataset, a well-known image dataset containing 60,000 small, colored images. Each image is 32 by 32 pixels and belongs to one of 10 common categories such as cars, birds, airplanes, cats, and trucks. Although the images are tiny, they are perfect for experimenting with neural networks. Adding noise. To train the autoencoder, noise is systematically added to every image in the dataset. Each noisy image is paired with its clean version. These pairs allow the network to learn how to transform a noisy input into a noise-free output. Autoencoder architecture. The encoder uses multiple convolution layers with ReLU activation to extract stable patterns from the input. Max pooling reduces the size of these feature maps, helping the network learn only the most important information. The decoder then upsamples these compressed features using convolution and interpolation to reconstruct the cleaned image. Together, the encoder and decoder form a complete denoising pipeline. Mathematical background. The convolution operation is the heart of CNNs. It scans the image using small filters to detect edges, textures, and shapes. During training, the autoencoder uses a reconstruction loss function, typically mean squared error, to measure the difference between the output and the clean image. By minimizing this loss, the model gradually becomes better at removing noise. Tools used. This project was implemented using the Java programming language. The Deep Learning 4J framework was used to build the CNN architecture. ND4J handled all numerical calculations and matrix operations. CIFAR-10 was used as the training dataset, and Gaussian noise generation was used to create noisy samples. The project was developed using an IDE such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. Steps in implementation. The implementation consists of several steps. Loading the dataset, normalizing the images, adding Gaussian noise, building the autoencoder, training the network, testing the model on new images, and finally comparing the noisy and cleaned images. Training results. As the model trains, the reconstruction loss decreases steadily. This shows that the autoencoder is learning how to remove noise effectively. More training epochs lead to better denoising performance, more accurate reconstruction, and clearer output images. Visual results. Here are the visual results. The left side shows the noisy image, full of grainy distortions. The right side shows the denoised output generated by the autoencoder. The network removes most of the noise while preserving essential details, such as edges, shapes, and colors. Dependencies. The project uses several key libraries, including Deep Learning 4J Core, ND4J Native or ND4J CUDA depending on hardware support, and the DL4J Datasets library for loading Sapphire 10. These components work together to enable deep learning workflows in Java. Result summary. In summary, the autoencoder performs strongly in removing noise from images. The cleaned images closely match the original ones. CNN layers help extract meaningful patterns and ignore random noise. The model proved effective even on small, low-resolution images such as Sapphire 10. Conclusion. This project demonstrates the power of convolutional autoencoders for image restoration tasks. They learn directly from data and require no manual feature engineering. Image denoising has many real-world applications, including medical imaging, photography enhancement, security, surveillance, and computer vision systems. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope it helped you understand how CNN-based autoencoders can be used to restore noisy images. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep learning projects.